Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a Nekroz video, and I kind of bricked, but okay. So anyway, I'm doing a Nekroz video. First I want to thank my wife for a wonderful birthday, and I want to thank her again for making dinner and again for gifting Nekroz to. I don't know how to play this deck. I played against it a little back in the day when it was metal element, but I don't remember. I didn't never play it myself, and I never looked up the combos or anything, and so um I guess add Brio. Why can't I ritual summon? You can must be ritual. You can you get the card out one that costs monster from your deck to your hand. Fuck that shit. Fucking lost. I keep losing today. I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing with Nekroz, and yeah, I just knew I was gonna lose that. I don't know why I couldn't ritual summon it. I it has Nekroz. I mean, issue. My brain can never process it fully, I guess. And give me time. I'll learn it eventually. Eventually, I'd love to play Nekroz because they're pretty good. Like, if y'all guys who watch Dream Tips, that actually looks like it's really cool. I will go second just so I'll have that. It was extra card. So this card is really good in Nekroz because they don't use an extra deck that often. They don't need an extra deck, so drawing two cards is pretty fucking good. Blue Eyes, ugh. At least it's a 40 card deck. Discard trade in, add Blue Eyes now Thunder Dragon. Yep, I know Blue Eyes well. You can banish exactly three cards. Okay. You can withdraw some of these cards out with any that class for two cards without using any level 9 monsters. So I have to use level 9 or I to make it I have to use something that equals level 9 that's not actual level 9. It's gotta be used any that class ritual monster to and or code. Okay. Why wouldn't ritual summon? It's not letting me ritual summon. I should be able to ritual summon into this, right? Seven, eight, nine, 10. I should be able to make Trish with it. 10, because that's not level 10. I mean, that's not level 9. I mean, it's, what? It, I couldn't sound just? I really don't get. You can talk that. You could. You could just. I'll get two for that. And this card is and I put all effect is activated. When this Hana is on that attack, advance one that plus. So you go ahead and just put this card and get the attack. Okay. I don't know why it wouldn't let me tell you Trish. Um it has to be exactly the total. I see. That sucks. Do they all say that, or is it just that one which one? They're not that one. The other one is three. That kind of sucks. Like, I would literally. I mean, that's fine. That's not really doing me good anyway. Hopefully, that's not anti-spell fragrance, because that would really fucking suck. Oops, sorry. I moved not bumped the table, and then I bumped the table on the other side. My little desk here. I don't know why you use different impermanence for. Uh, I mean, sure, I can't use my infinite impermanence, but it's fine. You can you can discard this card all you want. That's pretty good. Um, the second surge like crazy. That's why it was like so good back in the day. Oh, wait, what can I make? Wait, how can I do that? Oh, uh, I'm kind of getting the hang of it, but not really. I really gotta learn this act. It might actually just because of all the searching that it could do. So I think about bumping him back up to 3 hours. I'm only playing 2 right now, but I like excuse me, being able to search for my oh, pretty good. Excuse me. This is kind of like the only duel, I guess. I don't know why it didn't let me use this. Like, on your main page, you contribute few monsters. You know, I don't know why it didn't let me use it. Okay. Wait, why didn't you tell? I should have done that first. Oops. I misplayed. Uh, 6, 7, 8, 9. I could play Warrior Within Your Life. Get back him. That's like the actually. I don't have any. I should. Uh, I just missed that. Shit. What? My game just froze. Well, I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, my game just froze up on me. I don't know why. So anyway, this is what I have so far. I need to make a couple changes. I have 2 fish, 2 areas, 1 Gumbalin, whatever, 3 Bionic, 1 Unicorn, 2 Colossus, 1 Stewart. If I bump him to 3, he's going to 2, just because he can search for this and it's such so thanks to search. 1 Talisman, 1 Kindle, 3 Phantasme, 3 Ash. Those are some I might be cutting out more stuff. 1 Rhoda, 2 Cycle, 2 Mirror, 1 of this, 3 Paper to the Lights, 3 Part of Extravagance, 3 Call by the Grave, 3 Infinite Opponents, extra. I need to put some fusion in. If I need something that has levels, I'll see those, whatever. I think that was one of the things too, wasn't it? You can the total level. Yeah, you could use this to which was this, and it was like there was some combo or something with it. I don't remember, but it was really good. So anyway, 1 bomber, 1 full dread, 1 full sword, 1 warlord, underclock, Nephress, 3 of these, 1 unicorn, 1 Cerberus, 1 phoenix. So this deck needs a lot of work, and I plan on doing this again sometime soon when I can learn and play better. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe. I'm sorry that my game froze up. By the way, I had no idea why it did that. My internet connection was great. Uh, I have full balls on it. So anyway, again, thank you to my wife. Thank you everybody who subscribed. I'll catch you guys later. This is the Jinzo signing out. Bye.